Hey beautiful, this is for you, Laurel. Okay, here's my truck. Kind of hard to see. Okay, hold on, let me show you what I did to it. Ugh. I'll try. Okay, see? Cut off the catalytic converter, put this adapter on right here. That's the adapter. And ran it down. There's cherry bomb. There's where the exhaust goes down. There's the gas tank. There's my dog. Alright. It's going to be really loud. I want you to hear it though. Okay. Let's see what my gas gauge is on. Alright. Just listen. Alright, you hear it? You can barely hear it. Here's a little preview of what you're gonna be riding around in when I come to Texas. Oh yeah. There's my mirror. Ooh, it smells like gas. Alright. I got no gas. I got a little bit. Not much. This right here don't work at all. I don't know what its problem is. Okay. I'll make another video tomorrow maybe of me driving around the neighborhood. But yeah. I'll do it one more time. Shit, I forgot I had it in reverse. Ooh. Alright, that's enough. Alright, I love you, Laurel. Bye.